Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic select and order data from MySQLi database. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is select and order by data from the database that is MySQLi in PHP. Suppose for an example, this is my table and I have taken the fields here. After that, I have stored some data into these fields. Suppose my first name is, that is serial number, second is ID, third is name, and then address, and then phone number. So after that I am putting the data, that is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, as it is ID, that is anything. After that name, that is A, B, C, D, and so on. The data is being fed into all the fields. Suppose I need here select and order by. So the syntax is select start from table name. Suppose my table name is TB. So after that I will write here TB, and after that I will put here order by. I need order by name. Suppose I need ABCD to be printed as descending order. So it will go from down to top. I will write here order by, that is name. After that DESC, that is known as descending. So it will be printed as D, C, B and A. So for this format to be printed, we use select from the table name, that is TB. After that order by, which field is to be added, that is name. After that descending or ascending. So ascending is by default. If we need ascending order, we will not write here anything. So it will be printed as same, that is ABCD. If we need from descending, so we will write here DESC, that is a descending. So now we will discuss about the example of select and order data from the MySQLi database. Suppose always PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this, we will start the connection. Suppose first of all localhost, that is my server name. After that root is my default username. After that password, that is empty, and then database, that is database name DB. So after that put these into a variables. Suppose localhost is server, so we'll write here $server. Then root is a username, so I will write here $user. This is my password, so I will write here $pass, and this is my database, so I will write here $db. So after that we will join these to the connection. So to make the connection, we write MySQLi connect. In between this, we will pass all the variables. First of all $server. After that $user. After that $password. After that $db, and then semicolon. So now we will put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $con, that is for connection. After that we will go to the, that is to select the data, that is from order data. So I will write here select from start from, that is my table name. Suppose my table name is TB. After that order by, that is name, and then semicolon. So now we'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $SQL. So now I will put this into a MySQLi query. In between this, I will pass the two variables, that is $SQL and $connection. And then a semicolon. So now we'll put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $result. So after that we will go to the if statement. In between this, we are asking that MySQLi that is number of rows to be printed as, that is a variable name, that is $result. If that is greater than 0, then print. After that, curly braces start and over. In between this, we will do the while loop. In between this, we are asking that my SQL I fetch associate ASSOC. After that, the variable name, that is $result. And after that, we will put this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is $row. So we need that output. So we'll start the curly braces and over that. In between this, to get the output, we'll use echo. In between the echo, we are writing that print $row, which is this variable, and the value, that is, first of all, my value is ID, then semicolon. My second value is $row. After that, name in single quotes and then semicolon. After that, if this statement is false, then print the else statement. In between this, curly braces start and over. In between this, echo in double quotes and then semicolon. I need the message, that is error. So if my statement is been corrected, so it will display the words, that is ID and name. If it is not true, then print the error message on the display screen. So this is how we can use the select and order data from the MySQLite database in PHP. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas.